Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text opacity in InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. I am change the text opacity in InDesign. Now firstly select the text and go to the properties panel. Then you can see here are opacity menu. Then click this opacity. Then here are opacity or 100%. Now I am here are 20% and click enter. You can see this text opacity is down. Now again here are right 50%. You can choose your change opacity, text opacity, another text. Then select the text and again go to the properties menu and click opacity. Then write 14 and click enter. Then you can write here are 17. Now you can see since text opacity in InDesign 2022 very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.